DesignMart's online monument designer has many tools and features to offer. These tools can make your job easier and your work more precise. This video is going to go over each of them. We'll start with the options at the top of your screen. Your username is displayed in the top left of your screen. If you click on your username, you get the options of going to your designs, your dashboard, or logging out. Next is File. If you click on the File button, you can choose to start a new design, save, save as, save and close, import an image, or print your design. Your View drop-down is next. This is where you can choose what you want to show or hide. If you check the box beside a Docker like this, it will be highlighted on your canvas. Your Docker toggles include Editor, Layers, Price Estimator, and keyboard shortcuts. Your user interface toggles include Ruler and Grid and Full Screen. Once you go to full screen, you'll need to press Escape on your keyboard to go back to your regular screen. If you ever want to reset the way it was before you changed anything, just click Reset to Default. We've already talked a little about Export As. Here you can export an AI, a DXF file in millimeters, a DXF file in inches, a JPEG, as well as an entire design package and etching package. You can also email an AI file, a DXF file in millimeters, a DXF file in inches, or a JPEG file. You also have the option of adding a personal message and extra information to that email. Yahoo and several other email providers block messages with graphics attached to them. If Yahoo blocks an email you sent, check out the tutorial video related to emailing your work. At the top right of your screen, there's a box where you can enter a name for your design. Once you've entered a name, press Enter on your keyboard and your design will be saved. To save a different version of your design, give it a new name and click File, Save As. It will be saved to your dashboard just like the others. In order to export a design, it must be saved first. If you are unable to export, check to be sure you have saved your work. You should see a file name here at the top right. To the right of that is the Support button. Here you can see numbers to get in touch with us, or you can send us an email. You can check out frequently asked questions and helpful links. The last button along the top is the Catalog button. This will take you from the designer to the online catalog. The Online Monument Catalog is included with your subscription to the Online Monument Designer, and I'll tell you more about the Online Monument Catalog in another video. The left side contains lots of helpful tools, starting with the Text tool. If you click the Text tool, Starter Text will appear near the top left of your canvas. You can edit this text using the Editor Docker we mentioned before. Just click it with your Selection tool and you're ready to type in your text editor Docker here. Next is the Search tool. With the Search tool, you can click on the magnifying glass icon and type a design number or keyword for a design you wish to use. The designer will display red numbers beside each category to show which designs meet your criteria. You can always browse a particular book or category visually, or you may use the Search tool if you have something specific in mind. The Search tool can be a time saver. For best results, just enter the number with no D, DM, DME, or anything else in front of the number. You only need to enter the number. For example, I would enter 922 instead of D922. You may also enter a keyword such as a rose or cross. As you'll see, the designer will display any design featuring a rose. Choosing the right word can help you find what you're looking for faster. Where the word hands might bring back 70 results, something like praying would bring back 9. More specific keywords will get you more specific results. Please clear the search bar as seen here when you're done. Clearing the search bar will help you browse for other items later. You have the option to view previews at different sizes before bringing them onto the canvas. You can adjust your preview size here. The icon below the search tool shows DesignMart's classic designs by book. To view the designs in a series, just click on the book cover. The monument icon is very similar. It shows the different types of blank monuments. To open a category, just click on the preview image. The bases icon, vases icon, components, and etchings icon work the same way. Just click on the category you want to view and the contents will appear. The background icon shows all of the backgrounds you can choose from. To use one, just click on it. Next are the dockers. We talked about these in the View dropdown, and you can control them here as well. The first is the Editor Docker, which we already have open. Next is the Layers Docker, the Price Docker, and the Shortcuts Docker. If you click on the icons, they will turn blue, which means the Docker is being shown on your canvas. If the icon is not highlighted, it means the Docker is hidden. In the bottom left of your screen, you'll see the Select, Pan, and Zoom tools. You'll just want to click to highlight which one you want to use. The Pan tool allows you to move around the canvas and position your monument as you zoom in and out. The Zoom tool allows you to zoom in for a closer look at your work. You will also see a small reference image that shows you what you are seeing in reference to the entire canvas. To the right of those is the Select All button. Clicking this will select everything on the canvas. This can be helpful if you need to select all of your work and drag it to a different location on the canvas. Beside that, you'll see a row of alignment tools. To use these, select the pieces of your design that you want to align by clicking one, pressing Shift on your keyboard, and then clicking the other piece. Then, click on the alignment tool you want to use. This will center the first object you click on the second or last object you click. There are two ways to center items, horizontally and vertically. There are times when you will want to use both. In the bottom right, you'll see Undo and Redo buttons. Remember these because they can be very helpful when putting together your monument design. Now you know where all of the tools and features are located in the Designer. If I've missed anything or if you need help, give us a call at 800-736-7455. Thank you for watching.